Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, we are going to talk about the impact and challenges of ICT to the Malaysian community and culture. First and foremost, my name is Muhammad Najmi bin Abdul Razak and my matriculation number is 870411565831 and I am a student at OUM PJ Learning Center. This topic is a requirement for my Introductions to Communications class. The first impact of ICT to the community is the expansion of access to information and services. Ever since the shift from a product-based economy to a knowledge-based one, along with the penetration of the internet across Malaysia, the nation has made strides to utilize this new infrastructure by paving the way to create new outlets for finding resources and online services. The community is able to refer to resources shared from all over the world and are able to complete mundane tasks from the comfort of their homes, such as online banking, online shopping, and YouTube, to name a few. Additionally, ICT has improved our abilities to communicate by reducing the cost of communication via the implementation of voice over internet protocol, instant messaging, email, video conferencing, and websites, to name a few, reduces the barrier to effective communication. With these technologies, keeping in touch from a distance is made possible, and we are able to maintain a platonic relationship with friends, family, and colleagues. Furthermore, communication has evolved to become more efficient, where the user of these technologies are able to capture a wider audience through social media and websites. Also, ICT has enhanced the way we teach and learn, so much so that a new learning concept has been adapted to the abilities we have today with technology. More educational institutions are integrating an open learning concept where the learning experience is more student-centered, as compared to the traditional views where it is a teacher-centered concept. Students are encouraged to engage in on-topic discussion as to widen the concept of understanding for the curriculum. Students are also able to access learning materials provided by institutions and supplemented with additional resources from the internet. This not only expands the input of knowledge but also affords the student a flexible study plan. ICT has also eliminated the restrictions for students to collaborate with others from anywhere in the world. Firstly, digital divide can be defined as the economic, educational, and social inequalities between those who have computers and online access with those who do not. In Malaysia, the factor of digital divide is age, education, wealth, and location. The younger generation are accustomed to the technological advancements, however, the elderly are less experienced with the technology in general. Furthermore, location and funding is thought to be the primary factor of a digital divide, where density areas experience better technology penetration than those of the rural areas. Moreover, with the advancement of ICT, cybersecurity has been an increasing concern. These online services require us to input our personal data onto their database with a password lock and key. However, there are still multiple vulnerabilities that exist, such as viruses, malware, and ransomware. This situation precariously places our personal and sensitive data at risk of theft, misuse, and exploitation. Continually, and perhaps the most underestimated challenge of ICT is the loss of personal touch. The loss of personal touch can impact the social and economic aspect of the community. Automation is taking jobs from people, especially from those in the manufacturing industry. Robots are replacing people for the sake of cost saving and maximizing profits. And nowadays we are seeing more of it in other industries such as the service industry, where self-checkout counters are replacing a cashier at the supermarket. Moreover, technology has given businesses the option to outsource departments to other countries with cheaper labor rates, which will take jobs away from the locals. Human beings is essentially a social being. We are required to socialize. However, with the advancement of ICT, it is becoming more common for us to be content in isolation. This is due to the fact that we do not require to physically interact socially and professionally. Everything can be done online. This can have adverse effects on our psyche and health.